Hey boys and girls in video land, it's Bortone. How you doing? I just wanted to give a quick review of a new purchase here. I'll try to do it without making too much noise. It's the Blue Yeti Nano microphone. Blue Yeti Nano microphone. It's $99, which is the same as the Blue Yeti Pro, the regular one. But this one is obviously a little bit smaller and marketed more as a, without making too much noise here, marketed as a podcasting mic, as a video streaming, live streaming mic. So it's really more of a, I think, a marketing thing than anything else. It doesn't take up a lot of room, obviously. Comes in several colors. I got the Cubano Gold. You can get red or blue or traditional silver. You've got your power button on the bottom and a headphone jack. Your volume here, and then on the back you've got a setting for either cardioid or omnidirectional. Now, I learned about this in college a gazillion years ago, the difference between cardioid and omni, but I'm going to read it to you just so I don't screw it up. Cardioid, like heart, shaped like a heart. Perfect for podcasts, game streaming, vocal performances, voiceovers, and instruments. Cardioid mode records sounds that are directly in front of the microphone, delivering rich, full-bodied sound. You can hear that, right? Omnidirectional, on the other hand, omni, all around. Picks up sound equally from all around the mic. It is best used in situations when you want to capture the ambience of being there, like recording a band's live performance, a multi-person podcast, or a conference call. So typically you're probably going to be set at cardioid because you're just kind of coming directly here into the mic. So far so good on the Yeti Nano microphone. Lovely microphone. $99 as I mentioned. Blue. I had a blue Snowball. It was just time to update and upgrade. So this was pretty sweet for $100. So there you have it. That's the Blue Yeti Nano. You can hear it here. You know what I'll do? I'll pull the plug on that and see. So if I did this right, I pulled the plug on the Blue Yeti Nano mic, and now I'm just recording directly into the Mac with the microphone that is in the computer. So I want to see if you can hear the difference between recording right into the computer and using the Blue Yeti Nano. So let's go back to the Blue Yeti. And if all goes well, we are now back to the Blue Yeti Nano, and I'm just curious to see if you can hear a difference. So that's it. That's the quick review of the lovely and oh so pretty Blue Yeti Nano microphone. Bye for now. One more thing, this just in. This microphone is actually $79.99 right now on Amazon as of the recording of this video. $79.99. Such a deal. I'll put my affiliate link here as well, just in case you need it. All right, bye.